Terminology. 1. Alignment, of rails. It refers to deviation of rails in horizontal plane from its original, intended position, measured individually for each of the rail with reference to a chord of specified length. 2. Anchor length, L. The length of track required to resist the pull exerted on rails by the rail tensor at temperature, Tp. For practical purposes, it is taken as equal to 2.5 meters per degree Celsius of Tp. If T0 is not known, Td can be assumed as T0. 3. Blanket. The layer of granular material provided between ballast and subgrade formation on full width of formation. 4. Breathing length. The length at each end of LWR, CWR, which is subjected to expansion, contraction on account of temperature variations. 5. Buckling of track. Sudden or gradual shifting of track in lateral or vertical direction due to unbalanced thermal stress in rail track is called buckling. 6. Cant deficiency. Cant deficiency occurs when a train travels around a curve at a speed higher than the equilibrium speed. It is the difference between the theoretical cant required for such higher speed and actual cant provided. 7. Cant excess. Cant excess occurs when a train travels around a curve at a speed lower than the equilibrium speed. It is the difference between the actual cant and the theoretical cant required for such a lower speed. 8. Cant gradient and cant deficiency gradient. It indicates the amount by which cant or deficiency of cant is increased or reduced in a given length of transition, e.g., 1 in 1000 means that cant or deficiency of cant of 1 mm is gained or lost in every 1000 mm of transition length. 9. Catch sidings. Catch siding is a safety siding, taking off from the main line and of a suitable length, provided with devices such as rising variable grades and sand drags to fully absorb the velocity head attained by an inefficiently controlled train or part of train being pulled up therein, without being wrecked. It is essentially a gravity catch siding provided on long steep grades between stations, where curves are designed for a lower speed than may conceivably be attained by a train or part of a train, which for one cause or another, may have got out of control, and when it is necessary to protect a station from uncontrolled trains or parts of trains liable to enter it. At any station situated in the immediate neighborhood of an incline steeper than 1 in 80 falling towards the station, a catch siding should be provided, if necessary. The takeoff points to a catch siding should normally be set and locked for the siding, except where required to the trail through. 10. Centrifugal force. The outward force acting on a vehicle while moving on a curved track. Its magnitude depends upon the velocity of vehicle, mass and radius of curvature.